Hi friends, what are you going to do with those meatballs? Meatballs in your child care center or child care home can be a great addition to your menu. Make sure that for your youngest children, you chop them up so that they are not a choking hazard. And for your older children, they should be just fine. But they are wonderful to use in your child care programs because there are so many different options that you can have when using meatballs. So here's a lunch that we had, and these are teriyaki meatballs. The kids really enjoyed them. We did a noodle stir fry on the side with the green beans and a nice garden salad. And next you'll see that I'm talking about the teriyaki meatballs, and I just showed them to you, but there are so many more options, and this is a really nice economical choice for your center and your child care programs. Having some savory home-style meatballs with a nice brown gravy is a great option. Meatball pops, they're cute and the kids really enjoy them. You can have them with mashed potatoes, noodles, rice, or whatever you choose. Also, a rainbow salad. In your salad, put the veggies that your children like and make it nice and colorful and add those meatballs. Meatball tacos are also a hit. Season them the way you would your ground beef or your chicken that you would have in your taco shells or on your nachos, and they'll enjoy that as well. And then cute spaghetti and meatball cups. So what you're going to do is make your pasta, put your sauce in, add your meatballs on top, add some cheese, and bake for a little while. And then take them out and they're cute and ready to serve. Barbecue meatballs are always a hit. They're kind of sticky and kind of sweet, and the kids really enjoy them. Meatball kebabs are also a good option, especially when you've been having meatballs a lot and you want to do something really cute and you want to make it different so it doesn't seem like they've been eating meatballs all the time. So I wanted to add some different options for you to try in your child care food programs so that you have some fresh new ideas to use all the time. And again, I'm the Polished Educator, and I hope that these menus and these ideas are helping.